Good day everyone. Again, this is Sir Gil Valenzuela Jr. of SDOQC New Era High School. So welcome to another Math Kwentuhan with Sir G. Isa na naman grade 10 lesson ng ating pag-uusapan. So without further ado, join me. Okay. So, ang focus ng lesson natin today is all about related theorems on central angle, inscribed angle, and semicircle. Alright, so hindi na natin siya patatagalin. So the sum of the measures of the central angles of a circle with no common interior points is always equals to 360 degrees. So supposing that angle 1, 2, 3, 4 here are central angle, therefore, if we are going to add all these angles, they are equal to 360 degrees. But take note, no common interior points to make it 360. Okay, so let's try to solve a problem. Supposing I have this circle. Okay, so I am going to present my whiteboard, then let's try to solve this. Okay, alright. So using my Jamboard, alright guys, so ang binigay sa atin dito guys na given, no? So yung measure ng arc AB ay 30 degrees, ang measure ng arc BC ay 45 degrees, ang measure ng arc CD ay 30 degrees, then ang missing ng arc DE is unknown, so we have to solve for that, no? Then arc EA or arc AE is equal to 120 degrees. Then we are going to find as well the values of all central angles from 1 up to 5. Okay? So let's deal with that. So let me get a pen. Alright. So the first thing that we're going to do guys is to solve for the measure of angle 5. Okay? So yun yung una natin gagawin. Alright, so angle 5 is equal to 360 degrees. So that is the sum of the entire interior angles natin sa circle, no? I mean, the central angle ng ating circle is always equal to 360, no? So yun yung pinag-usapan natin kanina. Then, isusubtract natin yung sum ng angle 1, 2, 3, and 4. So yun yung magiging first move natin dyan. So, the measure of angle 1 plus measure of angle 2 plus measure of angle 3 then plus the measure of angle 4. Then, pag nakuha natin yan guys, we're going to subtract to 360 because that's the full turn. Okay? Then, makukuha na natin agad yung measure ng angle 5. So, let's do that. So, 360 degrees minus the measure of angle 1, okay. So since angle 1 intercept arc AE, and since angle 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 are all central angle, according to the definition, the intercepted arc of a central angle is equal to its measure. So therefore, since arc AE is 120 degrees, therefore, angle 1 is 120 degrees. Alright. So let's do the same on angle 2. So angle 2 intercepts arc AB. Therefore, since arc AB is 30 degrees, therefore angle 2 is 30 degrees as well. Then, let's do that as well on angle 3. So angle 3 intercept arc BC. And since the measure of arc BC is 45 degrees, then therefore angle 3 is equal to 45 degrees as well. And finally, the measure of angle 4 is equal to the measure of arc DC, which is 30 degrees. Yan. Then we're going to add all of these measurement. And we're going to subtract that to 360 degrees. So 120 plus 30, that is 150. 150 plus 45, that is 195. Plus 30, so that is 225 degrees. Then, we're going to subtract 360 degrees. Sorry, so this is angle 5. Alright. Okay, so therefore, angle 5 is 360 minus 625. So, let's get our calculator. Ayan. So, that is 360 degrees. Oops. So, 360 minus 225. So, that is equal to 135 degrees, guys. So, yun yung gagawin natin. So, isusulat natin. So, 135 degrees. Ayan. Alright? So, therefore, angle 5, since angle 5 is 135 degrees, and it intercepts arc ED, therefore, since angle 5 is a central angle, the measure of arc ED is 135 degrees as well. Ayan. So, you have to take note of that, guys, ha? So, yan yung value niya. Okay? So, yan yung application ng pinag-aralan natin kanina. Okay? Question so far. Okay, so na. Alright, so let's proceed on our next exercise. So, balik tayo dun sa ating PowerPoint presentation. Ayan. Okay. So, let's continue. Alright, so sabi rito, guys, so if two arcs of a circle are equal, so suppose ito, arc AB, so nakita nyo yung tick mark, no? Ayan, so tick mark niya, isa rin dito. Therefore, it means that arc CD and arc AB are equal arc. Ayan. So sabi, if two arcs of a circle are equal, then they subtend equal central angle. So if you could notice yung symbol natin for measurement ng angle, no? So, dalawa yan. So, ibig sabihin, itong angles na to are equal din. And, equal din yung chord natin. So, yung chord DC and chord AB, equal yan. So, basta, automatic kapag equal ang arc, alright, automatic equal ang chord and central angles. Okay? Ayan. Sige. So, let's try to solve this one. So, pwede ba natin itong, actually, pwede na natin itong i-mental math, no? So, if you could notice, angle A and angle B are central angles. And if you could notice, arc CD and arc AB are equal arcs, which measure 90 degrees. So, therefore, since angle A and angle B are central angle which intercept both arc AB and CD. Therefore, angle A and B is equal to 90 degrees as well. So, yun yung mga information na nakuha natin sa theorems natin kanina, guys. Okay? Alright. So, napaka-importante na huwag natin niyang kakalimutan. Okay, so let's try to solve another circle puzzle. Ayan. So, para siyang sudoku, no, guys? So, we are going to find all the unknown. Ayan. So, let me present this problem to our whiteboard. Ayan. So, kunin natin yung whiteboard. Okay. Okay, ayan. So, we are asked to find the value of angle A, angle B, angle C, arc, U, B, W, X, and Y. So, yan yung kukunin natin. So, list down natin yung mga yon. Ayan. So, hinihingi sa atin ang value ng angle A, angle B, angle C, arc U, alright, arc B. So, gumamit ako ng single letter, no, para mabilis tayo magkwentuhan, guys. Pero alam natin na yung arc U is arc CD or DC. Ayan, so wag tayo malilito dyan. So, arc W, arc Y. Ayan. So, isa-isayin natin. Ano yung pwede nating agad malaman. Ayan. So, kung makikita nyo guys, lahat ito ay central angle, no? So, we are dealing with central angle. And if you could notice, yung measurement natin dito ay 90 degrees. So, therefore, ito ay isang right angle. So, malamang, itong angle B plus yung itong angle C. Let's name this circle. No? So, pangalanan natin yung circle na circle O. Halimbawa lang. Ayan. So, para ma-name natin yung angle. So, COD is equal to 45. So, kung 45 yan, ano yung measure ng angle B? Kung ito ay 90 degrees na. So, malamang, yung angle B is 45 degrees din. So, sulat na natin yan. Ayan. So, yung line segment FOC is a diameter because it passes through the center of the circle, which is circle O. Okay. So, since alam na natin yung angle B, so malalaman na rin natin yung measure ng arc B, di ba? So, dahil ito ay central angle, equal lang yung measure nila. So, kung 45 degrees yung angle B, yung arc B ay 45 degrees din. Ayan. Okay, so solve na tong dalawa. Okay na tayo dyan. Next natin, itong angle A. Ayan. So, angle A intercepts arc AB. And if you could notice guys, no, yung measure ng arc AB natin is 90 degrees. So, if that happens, sabi nga natin, dahil itong angle A ay isang central angle, so kung ano man yung measure ng arc niya, yun yung magiging measure ng central angle. So, therefore, angle A is 90 degrees as well. Now, if angle A is 90 degrees and angle AOF is 45 degrees, what is the measure of angle C? Alright, so remember that line segment FOC is a diameter. So meaning, if this is equal to 180 degrees, ito ring kabila ay 180 degrees. So therefore, supplementary yung angle A, angle C, at angle AOF. So, ano na lang kulang natin to make it 180? Of course, ayan. Kailangan 45 degrees din yan. So, 45 plus 45, 90 plus 90, 180. So, therefore, angle C is 45 degrees as well. Now, ano ngayon ang measure ng angle Y? Yan, tama. So, dahil yung angle C ay central angle and it intercept arc BC, which is Y, therefore, pareho lang sila ng measurement. So, angle Y is 45 degrees as well. Ayan. So, letter U. So, ayan, arc Q. And since arc Q intercept by angle DOC, which is 45 degrees, therefore, arc CD or arc U is 45 degrees as well. Ayan. And lastly, if you could notice again, arc FE or arc W intercepted by angle FOE, which is a central angle. Again, central angle measure equals the intercepted arc. So therefore, this is also 90 degrees. And yung x pa pala guys, nakalimutan natin, no? So, we are going to solve for x as well. Ayan. So, yung arc FA, intercepted arc siya ng angle FOA. So, therefore, since angle FOA is equal to 45 degrees, therefore, arc FA or x is equal to 45 degrees as well. And these are the final answer. So, I hope you got it correct, guys. At naiintindihan natin, no? So, yun lang naman yung gusto ni Sir Hill. Mag-gets natin ito. Okay? Ayan. Alright. So, let's proceed to another problem. So, balik tayo dun sa ating PowerPoint presentation. Ayan. Okay. So, another theorem tayo, guys. So, sabi dito, an angle inscribed in a circle is half the central angle intercepting the same arc. So, if you could notice guys, meron tayong central angle dito, AEC, which intercept arc AC. Ayan, no? Pero it so happened that this arc, which is arc AC, is intercepted by another angle, which is angle ADC, na isang inscribed angle. Bakit siya inscribed angle? Kasi yung parts niya ay dalawang chord and yung vertex niya is on the circle. Now, if that happens daw, kung yung arc daw na na-intercept ng central angle ay na-intercept din ng inscribed angle, ang measure daw ng inscribed angle natin ay kalahati lang ng measure ng central angle or ng intercepted arc. Can you follow? Ayan. So, laging kalahati. Kung ano man yung may intercept ng inscribed angle, laging kalahati lang yung measure. Halimbawa, yung arc ABC ay 90 degrees. So, kung kukunin natin yung angle ADC, so we have to divide 90 into 2. So, therefore, this is 45 degrees. So, ganun siya. Pero yung ating central angle will remain 90 degrees. Kasi nga, sabi nga natin, the measure of the central angle is equal to its intercepted arc. So, let's try to solve an exercises. Okay. So, another input pa para sa inscribed angle pala guys, bago tayo sa exercises, no? So, sabi dyan guys, an angle inscribed in a semicircle, no? Semicircle, ibig sabihin kalahati ng circle guys, is a right angle. So, that is automatic. Kapag yung inscribed angle natin drawn, ay ang intercepted arc niya ay semicircle or kalahati ng circle, automatic, this angle form is a right angle. So, therefore, angle theta here is equal to 90 degrees. So, that is automatic guys, no? Take note natin yan. Kapag inscribed angle natin na intercept ang kalahati ng circle or semicircle, that angle is a right angle or measures 90 degrees. Another, inscribed angles subtended by the same arc are equal. Ayan, no? So, kung makikita ninyo, itong arc AB subtends angle ADB and angle BCA as well. So, ibig sabihin, itong dalawang inscribed angle natin, iisa lang yung na-intercept nilang arc. Yun yung arc AB. So, if that happens daw, itong dalawang inscribed angle natin are equal. Alright? So, yun yung gusto niyang sabihin. Okay, another. So, opposite angles of an inscribed quadrilateral are supplementary. Ano ibig sabihin ng supplementary? Equals to 180 degrees. So, ano ba yung mga opposite angles natin? Angle A and angle C. So, if we get the sum, alright, so the sum is 180 degrees because they are supplementary. Alright, so that is automatic. And as well, angle D and B. Alright, so that is equal to 180 degrees. Okay, so I guess magsusolve na tayo guys. So, babalik tayo sa ating whiteboard. Ayan. Alright, so we are going to solve for the following. Ayan. Okay. So, let me present my whiteboard. Okay. So, ang given natin guys, no, binigay ang measure ng angle ABD. Alright. So, yung measure daw ng angle ABD is equal to 5x plus 3. So, for a while. So, mamaya alamin natin yung actual measurement niya. And the measure of angle DCA for a while is equal to 4x plus 10. Ayan. Tapos, ang pinapasolve sa atin, let's find the value of x. Ayan. Hanapin daw natin yung value ng x. Yung actual measure ng angle ABD, yung actual measure din ng angle DCA, at yung actual measure ng arc AD. Ayan. So, yan yung mga solve natin, guys. Okay? So, uunahin natin yung measure ng, o yung paghanap ng value ng x. Okay. So, what do we know about angle ABD and angle DCA? Correct. They are both inscribed angle intercept a particular arc which is AD. So therefore, dahil isang arc lang yun ang intercept nila, according to the theorem that we've discussed a while ago, they are equal. Okay? So yung angle ABD and angle DCA are equal. So, gagawin natin yon as part of our solution. Okay, so let's equate. So angle ABD, which is 5x plus 3, is equal to angle DCA, which is 4x plus 10. Then let's solve for x. So let's combine similar terms. So I will transfer 4x to the left and positive 3 on the right side. Okay? And we have 5x minus 4x equals to 10 minus 3. Alright? Then let's simplify. So 5x minus 4x, that is equal to x. Then 10 minus 3 is equal to 7. So therefore, the value for x is 7. So we are now ready to find the actual measure of angle ABD by substituting x by 7. So palitan natin tong x by 7. So let's plug in. So 5 times 7, that is 35 plus 3 equals to 38 degrees. So therefore, angle ABD is 38 degrees. Ayan, 38 degrees, guys. Alright, so dahil equal sila, no? So patunayan natin na kailangan ang measure nitong DCA or angle DCA is 38 degrees as well. So let's plug in 7 as replacement for x, then plus 10. So 4 times 7, that is 28. 28 plus 10, that is equal to 38. And we are happy to that result kasi nga equal sila. Ayan. So napatunayan natin na yung sinasabi sa theorem ay totoo. Alright? By example. Alright. Now, since the measure of the inscribed angle ABD and DCA is equal to 38 degrees. So what is the measure of arc AD? So ano bang sabi tungkol sa relationship ng isang inscribed angle sa intercepted arc? Okay, so times 2 ng inscribed angle measure yung measure ng arc AD. So therefore, ita-times 2 lang natin yung 38. So 38 times 2, that is equal to 76 degrees. So therefore, arc AD is equal to 76 degrees. Ayan. Okay? Can you follow? So I hope it is clear. Sobrang dali lang. Basta maalala lang natin yung mga theorems na pinag-aralan natin. I'm sure, sobrang dali lang ang mga susunod na problems natin. Okay? Alright. So let me present again my PowerPoint presentation. So balik tayo sa lesson. Alright. Oh, so natapos na natin yung lesson natin, no? Sobrang dali lang. So again, it's your turn, guys. So magbibigay ako ng dalawang problem para sa inyo. So paki-screenshot, no? Then bibigyan ko kayo ng 20 minutes to finish. Okay? So here is our problem number 1. Ayan, paki-screenshot lang natin, guys, no? Then mamaya bigyan ko kayo ng 10 minutes each problem. So yan yung unang problem natin. So let's find all unknown values. Alright? For number 2, ayan. Okay. So let's find all those parts dito sa circle natin, no? Ayan. Okay? So, bibigyan ko kayo ng 20 minutes, guys. So, please pause the video for 20 minutes, then solve or find the measure of the following arcs or central angles. Okay? Alright. And your 20 minutes are gone. So, ito na yung answer key natin for number 1, guys. Ayan. So, check your answer if it is correct. So, kapag hindi, guys, you can always double check, no? Rewind lang tayo ng video, then redo, no? Gamit yung pen and paper natin. And ito naman yung sa number 2 natin. Okay? So, yan. Alright. So, that was fun. So, let's do it again sometime. So, until our next math kwentuhan, again, this is Sir G.